right, we're back with more berries, and you might be a little bit confused because these look like salty capers, but did you know that capers are also a berry? They are a berry that is native to the Mediterranean. In the Africa regions, you can get them salt-packed or brined, and they also make a crispy garnish. So before the break, I tried the cranberry relish. And this is the beautiful color that comes out of the cranberries after it's been sitting for, a minimum an hour overnight. The flavor of the cranberry has completely mellowed out, infused with the tartness of the orange rind, and totally perfectly balanced with a little bit of sugar and the sweetness of the apple. So good. Okay, but back to the capers. We're gonna garnish our brined salmon with those capers. It used to be sitting in this murky seawater. Wait, come here for a second. Come here, Caleb, I have something to show you. That's a little sad, but this is my husband, my late husband. He was lost at sea during a salmon journey. No, he wasn't. Probably shouldn't joke about that, but it was kind of fun because it's like a vintage kind of photo. We did it for our engagement, not big deal. Okay, let me show you how to ensure that your salmon is completely infused with some amazing flavors. I feel like you can't have seafood without lemon, so we're gonna slice that up. And we have some fresh herbs. The herbs are really, really essential for this. Actually, no, you can use whatever you want. If you grow them, you get extra brownie points from me, because I'm like not that much of an avid gardener, but I do like to have some fresh herbs on hand, because you never know. If you've never tried fresh oregano, this is what it looks like. In Greece, you can see this growing wild everywhere. It's actually really incredible. And then, of course, we need some olive oil. The brining, which if you're not familiar with, it's just like a salt bath that the salmon can sit in. It totally infuses all that salt and stays moist. Maybe we should do a little ASMR later. I don't know what it is about that word. Maybe it's just me, but I'm not like that offended by the word moist. Show of hands, who's offended by the word moist? We got 1 out of 10 people offended by the word moist. Not a big deal. Well, you can stay on set if you would like to. All right, so not only does the brining keep what normally happens to salmon, sometimes it gets overcooked and dry, but in this case, it'll stay very moist. All right, so into the oven it goes. But we're not done with our friend the caper yet. We're gonna make a beautiful butter sauce. Come on in, come on over. Uh-oh, ooh, child. It's okay. It's only evaporating and not melting. We're browning this butter all right. We gotta throw in some garlic. This is not what it's supposed to look like. All right, not what I expected. Can I get a swap for the pan? Oh, the salmon's cooked. Okay, thank you. Wait, hold on. Secret handshake. Woo! Thank you, Nora. All right, let's quickly make a butter sauce. Butter sauce is really, really perfect for salmon. Well, now we need that to speed up. Maybe we can like combine the two? I don't know. All right, let's take a look at this salmon. Give it a look-see. See how all those herbs and citrus really melded with it. Oh, of course, we gotta add our capers to this butter sauce. Oh my goodness, look at this, so beautiful. The herbs just annihilate the nostrils. Okay, let's plate this. I really like to eat low carb, so this is kind of my jam with a little bit of butter sauce. Of course, we're gonna want the garlic to infuse a little bit more with the capers, but getting close. This is the money shot. Oh yeah. And And then of course, some crispy capers on top. The contrast is gonna be super unique, so let's give it a try. And after the break, we'll make a lovely breakfast smoothie bowl. Stay tuned. It's good when it's not burned. Thanks for the swap.